You're a cart connoisseur, a same-day shipping savant. So you know the best way to get the latest model of your favorite phone is to get it with Boost Infinite. Because you can now join a vast new world of wireless with a plan that includes the latest phone every year. No stores, no lines, no pants required. Buy your new phone in the Infinite Access plan just like you buy your paper towels or shampoo for your pet llama, Larry. A few easy steps and you'll have your new phone in your hands as soon as tomorrow. Just pay taxes on your device now, then as little as $60 a month to Boost Infinite after that. At that price, you can get that banana costume for Larry too. He's gonna love it. Simply transfer your number, then activate your eSIM. After 12 months, you can upgrade to the newest version of your phone through the Boost Infinite app, whenever you're ready. And when your brand new phone arrives, just send your old one back to Boost. It's that simple. Get the latest phone model every year. It's all included in your Infinite Access plan. Plus, unlimited data, text, and talk on America's Smart Network. So, Banana Larry will go viral at the super fast speed of 5G. A new world of wireless awaits. Get access to the newest phone every year with Boost Infinite. New phone every year, and unlimited wireless starting at $60 a month.